In this video, we will review the OPC Collector Tile. This collector is used specifically for connecting to an OPC UA server, whereas the logger admin is used for OPC DA. When we open the tile, we are first presented with a status screen which displays the tile for each configured session. Active sessions are indicated with a blue tile and inactive sessions gray. Sessions can be stopped and started using the yellow button on the tile. Hovering over a tile, we can click the yellow arrow button or double-click the tile itself to drill into the session. The next screen is the group level. A session will have at least one group where the user can set the sample interval, the rate at which the collector pulls the server for updates. Multiple groups can be created if needing to support different sample intervals within a single session, or if just wishing to organize tags within the session. Finally, when we drill into a group, we see the tags being logged with their current timestamp, value, and quality. This screen will update every 5 seconds. Next, we'll look at the configuration screen. From here, the user can create new sessions and groups or modify any existing session. A session's settings are listed below and allow the user to configure the destination where data will be sent, and the dataset and the historian where it will be stored. Data can be sent to multiple destinations, separating machine names with a comma. The host name is the endpoint of the UA server, followed by the port to which the collector will attempt to connect to. If needing to make a secure connection, this box can be checked and credentials provided. Regardless if credentials are needed, the collector will use the certificate configured on the settings screen when it makes its connection. If we select the group node, we can set the rate at which the collector will pull the server and decide if we want to normalize the timestamps. Timestamps will be normalized to the nearest half sample interval. The user can also choose the deadband type, absolute or %. With the host name configured, the user can browse the UA server for tags and add them to the session. Once all of the desired tags have been added, changes can be applied and the session started. This particular example is a tag-based session where the user browses for individual tags. The user also has the option of creating a path-based session where the user selects one or more branches from the server. Any tags residing underneath those branches will be logged automatically. Additionally, filters can be applied on top of the subscription to either include or exclude certain tags. The user can choose the session type when creating a new session. That's all for the OPC Collector for now. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.